Being called a game changer for sports in this country. It's called Rowan's Law, Ontario's landmark concussion safety protocol introduced in 2018. And today, a new report is highlighting the impact it's had on sports-related brain injuries. With more, I want to bring in CTV's Renee Rodgers. Renee, good morning. Tell us more about some of the big findings in this report.
Yes, good morning, Marcia. Well, this new study is showing a drop in sports-related brain injuries in Ontario after that province passed special legislation that deals with concussions. This report is coming from the Concussion Legacy Foundation Canada in partnership with CAMH. It found a 9% reduction in sports-related brain injuries in 2018 and 2019 compared with 2016 and 2017. Now, the researchers do stress that these findings are preliminary and more study needs to be done to pinpoint the exact cause of this drop. But it does coincide with Ontario passing legislation called Rowan's Law in 2018, becoming the only jurisdiction in Ontario to do so. Now, this law is named after 17-year-old Rowan Stringer from Ottawa, who died in 2013 after sustaining multiple concussions. Rowan's Law enshrines into law requirements around when an athlete should be removed from sport and when they should return if they are suspected to have a concussion. The bill also makes the last day in September Rowan's Law Day, which is today, and the Concussion Foundation is pushing for other provinces to adopt similar legislation.
Any other key findings, Renee, of note?
Yes, the new study also reveals that despite this drop, sports and rec-related brain injuries are a lot more prevalent than once thought. So the latest data shows 37% of brain injuries reported between 2010 and 2019 in Ontario were related to sports and recreation. That is triple the number that was thought. It was thought to be around 12%. Now, this does have far-reaching implications for health policy, mental health services, and injury prevention efforts across the province. The executive director of the Concussion Foundation says that, this is not just a youth or elite athlete issue. This is a widespread public health concern that demands more resources, education, and action to hopefully be able to prevent more of what he says are preventable injuries.
Renee, thanks for that.
You're welcome.